Hi, this is Karen. Today I'm doing a review on the Gurin Compact Dehumidifier. It's easy to use. You just take the power cord, plug it in, turn the button on, and you can see the light. See, it turns green. And it uses a Peltier technology, so there's no compressor and it's very, very quiet. Turn it off. It's very lightweight. It's a very small unit. It's perfect for a small bedroom, or small room, a bathroom. I don't have a fan in one of my bathrooms, so when anyone takes a shower in there, they have to open the window to let the steam out. So this dehumidifier is perfect for that room. When the reservoir is full, here's the reservoir, just pull it out. Very easy to pull out, very easy to empty. It holds about 16 ounces. When you do put it back in, what I have noticed though, if you don't put it back in the right way, see, I didn't put it back in the right way and it doesn't turn on. So you have to make sure you put it in there the right way. And it works great. It's portable, so you can take it with you anywhere you need to go. It comes with the instruction manual. Okay, this is the Gurin Compact Dehumidifier. I'm really liking this little dehumidifier. And that's what we have. Thank you and have a great day.